So welcome back to another video. Right now I am in the ear, nose, and throat doctor with TJ. He is getting checked on from when he had his tooth put in his ears. They just saw some more fluid in one of his ears, so right now they are giving him a hearing test, and most likely he's going to have to get more tubes put in his ears, y'all. Guess who had their first job interview today? And he got the job. Yeah, buddy, he got the job.
I got the job.
So how do you feel?
Normal.
Normal, like,
I mean, I'm glad I got it.
You're glad you got it, and that's it? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, he has his first job. He's glad he's got his job. I'm glad too, y'all. So, all right, Jamel, your first day at work, how you feel?
I feel like an old person.
An old person?
I feel like
you ain't even start work? You feel like me?
Yes.
You don't feel like me, baby. You ain't start working yet. On our way to take him to his job, his first job, man. I'm excited for you.
I'm growing up too fast.
You are. I done picked up the employees, one of my employed sons. So how was work today?
It was all right. It was easy.
Tell me how your day was.
It was easy. It was easy. Tired of standing, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get used to it. I'm gonna get used to it by like another week, like a week or 2 weeks. Yeah.
Chicken Street.
Here you go.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my.
What's up, y'all? So it's another day. Actually, it's the day before Father's Day, and I'm getting ready to head to Father Below because I picked up this tripod yesterday and not really noticing that it's a magnetic tripod. So this is the tripod. So I'm just go ahead and return this one and then go, get my money back and head to Walmart and pick me up another one. I also need to get a few other things tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow is Father's Day, so I'm going to make not a big dinner, but something small for Father's Day. My husband has to work tomorrow, but I just want to make sure that he has him a little nice dinner before he even gets to work, y'all. So he have his dinner and excuse me, he have his dinner and he will have his Father's Day gifts tomorrow.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
The weather making up out there.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you, Teesha. I sure appreciate that, Teesha.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you, Teesha. Oh, there goes the other man. Hey,
Happy Father's Day.
Thank
Are
you,
you recording?
thank you.
All right, here go your gifts, Daddy.
What you want me to do?
Okay, the card is from me, and then this box is from Renika. I'm actually recording. It's going on. Let's see. Because I wanna. You're welcome, Daddy. Happy Father's Day.
As soon as I get home.
Tell Granddaddy Happy Father's Day. Say Happy Father's Day, Granddaddy. Tell him Happy Father's Day.
Tell me happy Father's Day, Taylor.
What you?
Oh, boy.
TJ, you told Granddaddy. Yeah, you told Granddaddy Happy Father's Day.
Where's all good? Come here. I sure appreciate it.
You're welcome, Daddy.
Taylor. You gonna give me a phone? You alright?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Alright. Take time to remember the special moments.
Can you see?
It's glory. Take time to celebrate the very happiness of Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Daddy, from your daughter, Teesha.
Happy Father, you're welcome, Daddy.
That's what this is.
That's
Gift
a gift card.
I can go Walmart with this?
You can go anywhere.
Okay. I will run up. Thank you for that too.
You're welcome.